This is how you use Google Trends for your Shopify store. Google Trends is like a compass. It takes you to the when, where, who, and what in just a couple of clicks. So first off, let's go to Google Trends and let's click on Explore. Okay, so now you have your search term. You can put in whatever niche you're in or product you have. Let's say I'm selling chairs. Now we'll go through these filters one by one and show you how you can use it to optimize your Shopify store. Now, the first filter is where is it most popular? Okay, here I have it at worldwide. Here at the interest by region, you know which region searches this term the most. Okay, so here you have Australia, United Kingdom, New Zealand. So you might consider pushing your marketing strategy over there. If you want to be more specific, let's say you're in the US and you don't ship. Let's click on United States. Here you can see the subregions where it is most popular, where it is most searched. Okay, you can click here, you can see by metro or by city. This covers the who wants your product. Okay, now the when. For instance, you can't sell swimming suits in December and you can't sell Christmas decorations in summer because that simply doesn't make sense. But when specifically do you market them? When specifically do you add them to your Shopify or make a Shopify website around them? Well, Google Trends is here to save the day. Let's search Christmas decorations. Here you can see it gains a bit of traction in October, peaks in November 26th till December the 2nd, then it goes down, then it dies out at January 14, okay? Because obviously Christmas is over. But maybe it was a fluke. Maybe it was just this year it peaked at, it started peaking at October 22. Well, you click on the time frame filter, you put in the past 5 years. So as you can obviously see, there's a pattern, okay? Each year in October, it gains a bit of traction and it goes up dramatically. You can see here, every October. So you might want to push your Christmas decorations in October rather than pushing them in March or April, because that's obvious. So now we've covered the when. Now let's cover the what. Okay? So if you scroll down, now here the related queries are search terms related to your search term. For instance, Christmas decorations 2022, Christmas decorations 2020. These are all related queries to your search term. Now to the right of it you have breakout. This means the search term grew by 5,000%. Okay? Now if you click on this filter, rising, let's click on top. Here you have your Christmas decorations, outdoor, Christmas tree decorations, Christmas tree. All of these and the ones before in the rising section, you can use as keywords for your website. Either you put them in your metadata or your blog post. This can optimize your SEO, therefore you get more traffic and more sales. Okay, now to the left, you have your related topics. Okay, so inflatable. Maybe there's decorations that are inflatable. You might want to search that. Maybe you want to search outdoor Christmas decorations. White House Christmas decorations. These are new ideas. And here on the top, you have your Christmas decorations outdoor. You might want to find some outdoor Christmas decorations that you can put in your website, because here it has 100% score on Google Trends. Okay, so that's basically it. See you in the next video.